A while ago I did a video on why I switched all of my bases over to the KSM Foundation bass bridge. The better sustain, the better tone quality, the better string response, just all of it was why I switched over. And the Foundation has, if you haven't looked it up, a feature for through body stringing. There are these holes right here. And that kind of intrigued me because I hadn't really thought about through body stringing for the bass before. And then doing some research, there's not many that, there's not a lot of basses out there that actually do it. Fender does some on their Americans. Gibson used to, I think, on the Grabbers. And then kind of around from there, other independent manufacturers and some of the other higher end basses that other manufacturers make, like Schecter and groups like that. So what I was looking at was that they all go straight through the body, and for me that was going to be a problem because I play really hard, and that kink that it puts into the string right there was just going to be an issue because I knew that I was just going to start breaking strings again like I used to before I switched over to the Foundation. The ramp system here just allows a much smoother transition for the string up onto it instead of creating a kink, and then the through body of course is going to create another kink, and I didn't want that. So I decided to go through and make a jig to hold my bass bodies. This is one of them. This is just kind of a demo body that I'm playing around with. But you can see that I do have the Foundation on. Make it so that it will hold the body at about a 20-degree angle. I've already got the bridge set where it needs to be and centered the drill bit over the holes for the through body stringing. As you can see, I've got the bridge plate flush up against that bracket for the jig. I'm drilling down through nice and slow so I'm not going to have any tear out on the back side. I've also got tape on the back side in the area that it should be coming out just in case I have any extra splintering. Flip the body over in the jig and set up everything for drilling the backside ferrule recesses. This bit is the diameter that I need for the outer ring or the collar of the ferrule. I've already centered the drill bit and everything. I'm not showing you that part because it just wastes time. Now just to show you, I'm dropping in the couple ferrules to show that it's for that collar side and that they are drilled at the same height. Now I'm just drilling the inside hole for the press-in part of the ferrules. And once I'm done with all of these, I'm done with this part of the project. I'm currently in the process of finishing up those two bass bodies that I've done, the one that's in the video, and I've done another one. They're both kind of test bodies, making sure that my idea of bass design, like the body design and the pickups and everything, is going to work. But so you can see what it would look like, I also did it on my Ibanez SRX with the KSM bridge on it. And you can see that it worked out just great. Even with drilling through on an already finished bass, I actually didn't have any problems with anything trying to chip out on me or anything like that. Did have to remove the pickups and everything from it to be able to do it, of course, but it worked out great. So thanks again to KSM for making a great upgrade for any bass that's on the market. I'll probably do another video here in a little bit with the other bass bodies once they're finished, just to show kind of what I've done with them.